how to check whether or not your book is getting to number one. Now, when you get your book out there and you launch, you're going to need to actually check the pages on Amazon in each of the countries that you're publishing in every 30 minutes and keep refreshing them. Amazon will not let you know when your book gets number one, unfortunately, and there will be no record of it necessarily. You have to watch and you have to be ready to screenshot. So I'm going to show you how to actually find this out. Now, when you first upload your book, bear in mind you're going to have to wait anything from 24 to 72 hours for it to actually load into the system. Once it's loaded and it's showing up, then there's going to be a couple of things you're going to do. So first of all, here's an example of what your KDP account may look like once you've got your first book uploaded, and it will obviously need to say that it's live over here. Now, what you have over here is where you've got your price and it says view on Amazon. You have each of the different country stores here. Now, what happens to your book in the US store is very different to what will happen to your book in the UK store, the Germany store, the French store, the Spaniel store, and everything, right? Espanol. Woof, woof. Right, so what you need to do is you actually need to open up every single one of these stores. So go through, I'm going to open up my Australia, going to open up my US, going to open up my UK, get them all open. Every single tab needs to be buzzing away over here on the tabs of your internet. So let's pretend I've opened them all up, and this, guys, is how you actually determine whether or not you're an international number one bestseller, because obviously these are all different countries. If you get number one in more than one of these stores, you're an international number one bestseller. That's how it works. So we've opened up each of these stores. It will take you to your book page over here, and then as you scroll down right here, keep going down, scrolling down, you've got product details. Then it will tell you it's number something in something category. It's number something in something category. You normally have 3 categories here, but what you want to do is pick on the category that it's showing up as the highest ranking for and open that particular page. And here you go. So this is where you now need to keep your page open and keep refreshing like that. So as soon as you are in here, go back to, so that was my, what code? That was my UK store. I'm now in the Australia store here. I'm going to scroll down again. This one's number 105 at the moment. Click on that. And again, if I was promoting this right now, I'd have this page open permanently and keep on refreshing it. And then I've got my .com, which is the US store. Again, scroll down here, go to the number that you are, open up that particular page, and again, you just keep refreshing. Now, as soon as you see your book here hit number one, you have to screenshot this page. You absolutely have to screenshot it. It's really, really important so that you've got proof that you were in that number one spot. So I hope that helps. That is how you open up all of your different stores. Make sure when you screenshot that you screenshot this top URL here so that you can actually prove that you were number one in the .com US store. You can prove that you were number one in the .co.uk store and that you're number one in the .com.au store. That is how you prove that you were an international number one bestseller. So there you go. I can't wait for all of you to get that spot, get that screenshot, share it in the groups, tag me, of course, because I can't wait to celebrate it with you. And I can't wait to see you all there. Bye.